this out. We got the S&P just a stone's throw away from all-time highs. We got 6 of 8 green days. Market's looking pretty hot right now. As far as market outlook goes, we're kind of long and strong right now. There's a lot of headline risk. My foot is definitely not on the gas right now, like fully, because of the headline risk and the election in a few weeks. We're definitely going to see a lot of volatility into this election. I would be very surprised to see us either just grind up, and continue this grind up that we've seen into the election. I just really, really would be surprised at that. I think we'll have some volatility either later this week, maybe next. I don't know when, but it's going to come before the election. It always does. What are your thoughts, Bennett?
Same thing. I think the main thing that I was highlighting in the big picture was just, hold to the retest. We're a stone's throw from this, retesting the highs in the SPY, same in NASDAQ. So the overall theme, like you mentioned, moving up 70 days in a row. Let's look to hold to the retest, and then when we get there, then look to maybe change our thought a little bit.